Tonight you are getting a nighttime food haul, and I apologize if the lighting is bad, but it is nighttime. They delivered my food really late because we had some problems, and I'll go into that in a little bit, but probably in another video, or maybe I might come back in and tell y'all what happened to me today. Very interesting in getting your groceries delivered. So this is pretty much my meat, I think, and my frozen. So I've just been slowly getting things out of the bag. So I got 2 things of this ground beef, 2 of my favorite. This is my all-time favorite. Let me see. I want to make sure I show it to you. Right, here we go. This is my all-time favorite cube steak. And I always buy 2, and I brown it, and I make gravy. And this with mashed potatoes is wonderful. I got a thing of pepperoni right here. I've got some hash browns because I'm going to do a hash brown casserole. I've got some waffle fries. Love waffle fries. And some potato puffs, better known as tater tots. And I got 2 things of broccoli. No, I got Brussels sprouts. Okay, Brussels sprouts. I'm sorry. I guess they must have been out of the broccoli, and I told them they could give me the Brussels sprouts, which I love, with butter and a little bit of garlic. Wonderful stuff right there. And then I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I'm going to carry this in the house, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Some more food. So we've got some mild cheddar, some mozzarella, some Mexican-style cheese. We got a lot of coffee creamer because I buy some from my father-in-law, so he has some, and then I have mine. So mine is the peppermint bark, 1, 2, and his is the sugar-free French vanilla. And this is supposed to be sugar-free, but they may not have had it, but this is the regular hazelnut, so I'll probably end up with it too because he can't have sugar. So I've got chocolate milk. And I've got some Ridge cheddar and sour cream chips. I got 2 of those. I got a thing of pretzels, my garlic bread that I love so much, and a new thing. This is an Italian bread. Mom and Dad, my parents, they live in Morgantown. When when my dad went to Aldi, he bought this bread, and it is really delicious. We had it for breakfast pretty much every day, so I know it's good. I'm going to carry this in, and I'll be back again. Okay, we've got more. We've got some parchment paper. I bought some wax paper. You're going to notice that I am bulking up a little bit for holiday baking. I've got some oven-ready lasagna noodles. I'm going to be making my my lasagna rolls. I've got some baking soda. Let's see, do I have it here with me? I don't know. Anyways, let's get to the canned stuff. I got 2 of these cream of chicken soups. And I'm going to tell you guys, it is cold tonight. Crushed pineapple. I got a black bean, a cherry pie filling, several of these little cans. I use these all the time, of mushrooms. Always comes in handy. I use those all the time. I've got several little cans of that. I got another pineapple, some evaporated milk. Actually got 2 evaporated milks. I make a lot of mashed potatoes, and I use those. I got a baking powder. This was something new. It's like a room spray. I will let you guys know. This is vanilla mint. I've never used it before, but I'm going to give it a go. Seen some corn queso. I've got some of those you heat in your oven pretzels, and that's really good dipped in this. So we got some of that. Some hot, thick and chunky salsa. Love this. That is an organic salsa too, and it is delicious. I got these for Ronnie, but he doesn't know about it. I'm going to surprise him with those. They're cashews. He loves nuts. Another can of cream of chicken. I got 2 jars of the traditional style Reggiano pasta sauce. 3 boxes of yellow cake mix. This is something new, and I'll let you guys know if it's any good. This is a coconut peanut butter. I'm going to take this to the gym with me tomorrow. I get there about between 12:30 and 1, so about 2 o'clock I'm hungry, and I need something. sour cream, oyster crackers, love those in my soup. I got some chopped dates, again, keeping with the holiday baking. I got some brown sugar. Let's see what we got here. I've got some chopped pecans. Another thing of chopped pecans. 3 packages of brown gravy mix. A thing of powdered sugar. I've got some dark chocolate melting wafers. I've never used these before, but I have read online that they are really good. They had the white chocolate as well, but I just needed that one because I still have a half of a thing of almond bark still left in my baking stuff, so I didn't need that much. A thing of coconut. I'm going to try these. These are slow cooker liners. I went ahead and I bought these because I got a brand new slow cooker for a wedding gift and I cannot wait to use that. I've got maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal. I have just been loving the oatmeal lately for breakfast in the morning because it's been so cold. I got 2 things of rice pudding. You guys know I am a fan. I'm going to put this up and I'll be back and show you the rest. Okay, this is the last of it. It's so funny. My father-in-law thought I was standing out here on the porch talking to myself. He's like, why are you talking to yourself? And I'm like, I'm not. I'm talking to my viewers, my people. So anyways, I got a cabbage, some spinach, whole milk, some onions, some butter. I got 2 things of cottage cheese because Ron loves cottage cheese. I got this, well, chives and onion cream cheese. And then I've got 4 of these yogurts. This is original strawberry banana. I absolutely love yogurt and I haven't ordered it in a while, so I was kind of hungry for it. I got some Parmesan cheese for my lasagna rolls, as well as some ricotta, a thing of celery because I'm going to make some potato soup. And that concludes all of my items. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I purchased. I hope you are having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so I was just going to check in and tell you guys about my experience today with Aldi's. You guys know that every time I order from or get groceries delivered, if there's anything that ever occurs to me, I always share it with you because I want to be totally honest with you guys about the kind of service that I receive, and also too, if you are considering it, I just want you to think about things before you do it. Okay, so I've had Aldi groceries delivered about, I want to say 13, maybe 14 times. Since the COVID has began. It has really helped us out because not only do I not drive, but my husband's blind, so neither one of us drives. So if we want to go to the store, we have to take public transportation, and it just made sense to have our groceries delivered because economically it was cheaper. That is that. Okay, so today, okay, so if you guys have been following me, you guys know that I have not had really any complaints. I really have not. Most of the time, the drivers, or the shoppers as they call them, through Instacart, they have always done a superb job in shopping and separating my stuff and not squishing it. I've had one time that was really, I wouldn't say it was terrible, but my bread was squished, things was missing, but I called Instacart, and Instacart instantly made it where they refunded me my money, etc. So all of that was taken care of. Now today at 11, I think it was 11:38, I placed my order. I put in there I wanted a 2-hour delivery. Usually it takes a little bit extra than 2 hours because of the COVID. A lot of people are having their stuff delivered, so they're very bombarded with delivering groceries, which I completely understand. But usually they always get them to me in, I think, in a very reasonable time frame. Today, my order went out at 11:38. I actually corresponded with my shopper 3 times on one replacement and 2 refunds, because they didn't have it, and I just said, I don't want what they have, so just refund it. She said, okay. I said, thank you. She said, you're welcome. This is how much we talked. Then it said she was checking out. So then it said that it was going to be delivered soon. So I waited and I waited. And then at 1:47, it said that she had delivered my groceries. There was no groceries. None. I waited a little longer, still no groceries. So I called Instacart. At this time, it is I think I told him it was 3:29. She asked me what time it was, and I said I think it was 3:39. And understand that I had sent Instacart an email already on my phone explaining to them that I did not receive my groceries. So anyhow, they gave me 2 options. Well, 3. 1, they could credit me the money for my next order. 2, they could refund my money, which could take up to 10 days. Or 3, they would just send another shopper. I would not have to pay a tip. I would not have a delivery fee on there. And I could just have it shopped. But they told me it would have to be like within 5 hours. So I placed an order at 11:38, and I did not receive my groceries till after 8 o'clock tonight. So I just thought I would share this story with you. They also gave me the no delivery charge with orders over $35 for this month. So they really did try to make it right the best way. I did not want a refund because I did not want to wait 10 days. I had ordered almost $200 worth of groceries, and I did not want to wait for a refund on that money, if that makes any sense. I was very aggravated. I was very upset because you pay money for these groceries to show up and they were never anywhere. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I purchased. It's dark outside and it's nighttime, and as you can see, I'm getting ready to go to bed. I just put away all the groceries downstairs. So I just wanted to share with you guys because you know what? I always am honest with you guys. And even if a company wants to sponsor me, I am going to tell you the flat out truth on everything. That is something that is guaranteed on this channel, that every experience, every thought that I have, if I think a product stinks, I'm going to tell you. If I love it, I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to keep it real. That's what's important on this channel. I hope you guys are having a fabulous night or day whenever you see this. And I hope you enjoyed this Aldi haul. It's going to be okay. I'm going to get some sleep. Hopefully tomorrow goes without any snags. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.